The Zeus Coffee Thunderbells have been impressive so far this PVL on tour, and they will look to keep going in the knockout stage. Zeus takes on the Chocomucho Flying Titans on Tuesday for a spot in the quarterfinals. Speaking to starting lineup, veteran middle blocker Micah Ortiz says they are preparing hard for the showdown. But she knows that the other side will also be studying intently. That's why they have to push themselves even more to finally get over the hump and make it to the playoffs. The Thunderbells also touched on how they seem to always have to work extra hard on their games and how that would help them in their future matchups. Here are Zeus players looking ahead to the knockouts and what they need to improve on as they try to progress in the preseason tournament.
Siyempre, sila rin naman pinag-aaralan din kami. Likewise, pinag-aaralan din namin talaga sila. So, ang kailangan lang talaga namin is i-push namin kasi ano na to do or die game. Kasi once na magkamali ka na dito and then you're out.
Yeah.
So, kailangan namin talagang konting push pa.
Hindi ganon din kahirap ang responsibility na yon kasi I'm with Chai and at the same time may sistema na rin sila kay Coach Jerry eh. So napakaganda kasi na-mix yung talent ng veteran tsaka ng mga bata and sobrang ganda ng attitude ng mga bata. So ang bilis nilang pasunurin and alam mo yun, yung automatic na lang, very open sila for learning.
Naging part din yun nung napag-usapan yun namin as a team na yung start namin medyo slow pa. So we're working on it, syempre. Nakatulong din yun na nakikita namin kung ano yung kailangan namin i-improve on, anong kailangan namin i-workout. So yun lang, we're working that out naman.
Sa team naman, like management, wala naman silang pressure sa team.
Okay.
All we have to do lang daw is mag-play ng all out, all heart na makapagbigay kami ng magandang game. And of course, dapat manalo talaga.